Alright, write the equation of the circle in standard form. And so when you're given this, what you want to do is you want to take all the x's, all the x terms, and we're going to put them together. We're going to take all the y terms, put them together, and we're going to take the number and move it to the other side. So what that looks like is x squared plus 4x, leave a spot, plus y squared minus 8y, leave a spot, equals, and so it's just, we just don't put the 18 over there, we actually have to minus the 18 from both sides. And so on the right hand side we have a negative 18. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to complete the square on this. And so we take half of 4, so half of 4, we're going to square it, and so that gives us plus 4. And to keep the equation balanced, we have to add 4 over here. Another way you can kind of think about this is we're going to write this as this squared, and so take half of 8 and put it here, so minus 4. So minus 4 squared gives us a plus 16. That's another way you can think about it. And so on the right hand side we have 4 and 16 make 20. 20 minus 18 is 2. And then here, now that we've completed the square, we want to write it like this as a binomial squared. So this becomes x, half of that 4, plus 2 squared, plus y minus 4 squared. So that's it. There's our circle in standard form. Alright, so if you haven't done so, now would be a great time to pause the video. So what we do, just like the last one, we take all our x's, we group them together, take all our y's, group them together, take our number, and we move it to the other side. So what that looks like is it's going to give us x squared minus 8x, leave a blank, plus y squared minus 6y, leave a blank, equals, now we got to move it to the other side, so we have to minus 24 from both sides, so we get minus 24. And so what we're going to do is we're going to complete the square here, and that made me start wondering, how does a ghost solve a quadratic equation? He solves it by completing the scare. Anyways, so let's go back and try this here. If you want, you can write it like this. And so now what we do is we take half of 8, so it's going to be minus 4. Minus 4 squared gives us a plus 16, so we have to add it to both sides. Take the negative 6, half of negative 6 is negative 3. Negative 3 squared gives us a positive 9. And so now we just need to simplify the right hand side, because look, all left side of the side is done. So 16 and 9 gives us 25. 25 minus 24 is a positive 1. So now we have the circle written in standard form.